out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
Hey loves, it's Brianna K. You might also know me as Bits of Bri. Welcome to my stay home morning routine for spring 2020. Here's what our current morning routine looks like as a pregnant mom of 2 so that we can do homeschool, stay productive, and stay as positive as we can during this time. Please make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel, and thank you to KiwiCo for sponsoring today's video. So the first thing I do nowadays when I wake up, which is hard because I'm extra exhausted in my first trimester of pregnancy, I brush my teeth, wash my face, brush my hair, and put in my contacts.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing.
The kids usually wake up between 7 and 7:30, so I'll go get them out of bed as soon as they're awake.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Lately, all my kids want is pancakes for breakfast, so I figure, why not? We're staying home all day anyways, at least they can enjoy pancakes.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Yours good with your syrup on the side. Prezi has to have her syrup on the side. So
I have to say the homeschool portion of our morning routine has been the biggest adjustment for our family during this stay-home order, because even though I've been a teacher, it's just not part of our normal routine for this last few years. But something that's been helping tremendously that I have to recommend to you is the KiwiCo crates. So KiwiCo is sponsoring this video, but I've gotten their crates in a monthly subscription, and it's Prezi's and Landon's favorite day of the week when these boxes show up on our door. There's hands-on learning activities. They're all math and science based. I love them for developing Presley's fine motor skills. And what's even more amazing at this current state and time is you don't have to run to the store for any extra supplies. Everything you need to do the activities is included in the crates, and they come with reading activities, so it just provides so much engagement and learning for the kids, and they absolutely love all their activities. Like this month was a disc launcher. I know Landon will be playing with it every single day until his next crate arrives. And KiwiCo also has an online store with a ton of additional learning activities that can supplement in between the monthly crates, or if you just want to get a few activities and stock up to have things on hand, they're all delivered right to your door. So again, you don't have to go out during this time when we should all be staying home and staying safe. And KiwiCo has been very generous to give my subscribers 20% off of both the crates and anything you purchase from their store. So I have a link in my description box. Just go to kiwico.com/BriannaK and use the promo code Brianna K when you check out so that you get your 20% off. But I could not recommend this to you more. Our experience with KiwiCo has been phenomenal. I actually gifted it even to our cousins' kids for Christmas this year as well because our kids love it so much. So I'm sure during this time when it just feels like I need new things to do, KiwiCo has truly been a lifesaver for us, and I think it could really help you too when it comes to at-home learning and fun activities to do with your kiddos. So make sure you use the link below and use the promo code Brianna K when you check out. All right, you gotta put the pocket right there. Ready? Now smush it down. Real good so it sticks good. Little bear backpack on. How cute. And see, look, now you can go camping with your bag. Oops, I ruined the fire. You can go camping with your backpack on. And eat your s'more.
I'll show you how.
Show Daddy, see, I made the s'more on the fire.
That looks delicious.
So after homeschool time is over, I let the kids have some free play time. They can play with their toys in the basement or on their tablets. And I use this time to tidy up the bedrooms and throw in some laundry. I try to do a little bit of housework each day in the morning just because I get so tired by the afternoon, and sometimes I even need a nap while my kiddos nap, so I do what I can in the morning while I still have more energy.
But I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. Still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. Anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we?
And while the kids are playing in the basement, I hop on the exercise bike. I would love to go back to doing this before they wake up, but right now the first trimester of pregnancy is seriously kicking my butt when it comes to energy. So I still want to get in a workout for myself and baby, and it's easy because they can just play around me while I ride the bike down here. You kind of, dang. You kind of remind me of like a rocker chick the way you sing. After I ride the bike for 45 minutes to an hour, we'll tidy up the playroom together. I really try to clean as I go and also include the kids in helping to pick up as much as possible.
Messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me.
And usually around 11, when the temperature has warmed up a little bit here, as long as it's not raining or snowing, we head outside for our daily walk.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out the blue.
You're gonna be such a good big sister. Know how to take care of a baby, huh?
Someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too?
Scoot Lagoot.
'Cause I need you.
Well, we just got back from our walk, which is like the highlight of my day. I feel like it just makes me so happy to get outside and get some sunshine with the kiddos. I've got to make them their lunch and then I'll get them down for their naps, but I hope that this stay-at-home morning routine helps you as we all are kind of figuring out what this stay-at-home kind of schedule can look like, since I know for sure we're going to be staying at home at least the next month here in Ohio. But I'm sending you so much love. I know that this is not an easy time, especially with little ones, and I truly hope that you check out KiwiCo. Again, I have it linked down below. Use the code Brianna K so you get 20% off and can at least add some variety and learning to your day-to-day. And if you're new here, I hope you hit that red subscribe button and join our community, and I will see you in my next vlog, and we're just gonna keep cheering each other on and stay as positive as we can through all of this. Love you guys, bye.